high quality, reasonably priced home renovations close to San Ramon. The Home Remodeling Company offers a very detailed service at a very reasonable price. Even though your budget is limited, you will have a beautiful home renovation. Are you looking for a reliable home remodeling company? Do you want to ensure that your money goes towards the best quality and experience? If so, then Construction Remodeling in Bay Area is the perfect choice for you. With years of experience, top-notch customer service, and plenty of positive reviews from satisfied customers, Construction Remodeling in Bay Area is #1 when it comes to home remodeling nearby in San Ramon. When it comes to home remodeling, there's no one better than the team at Construction Remodeling in Bay Area. They are experienced professionals who have extensive knowledge on all things related to home remodeling. Whether you're looking to do a full renovation or just need some minor repairs done, they can help. Plus, they offer competitive rates and will work with any budget, big or small. Construction Remodeling in Bay Area is committed to providing excellent customer service from start to finish. They understand how important it is for their clients to feel comfortable and informed throughout the process, so they make sure to communicate clearly and provide regular updates on progress made. Plus, their attention to detail ensures that every job is done correctly and efficiently. In addition, Construction Remodeling in Bay Area also provides top-of-the-line materials for all projects. From wood flooring solutions and window treatments to kitchen fixtures and more, they guarantee only the highest quality products that will last for years. What's more, they always use eco-friendly materials whenever possible so that their clients can rest assured knowing that their project won't harm the environment. If you are looking for a reliable home remodeling company near San Ramon, then look no further than Construction Remodeling in Bay Area. Their experienced team offers competitive rates along with superior customer service and quality materials that will ensure your project looks beautiful for years to come. So if you are ready for an amazing home remodel experience, then contact them today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.